Same like in the road safety. You know, road safety, if you are walking, then the vehicle in your back, you cannot see, right? You cannot maneuver. So much better, you go backside, okay? Okay? This video every month we are conducting. This is came from sector. They are obligating us to make any video for the awareness regarding this what happening in our site. So today the topic is all about crane safety lifting. Okay. So for the toolbox for today, topic is PTW. Oh, what is PTW? What is mean salary carry today, yeah?
Salary coming.
You too. Okay? So PTW, that is a permit to work. So all of us understand that no permit, no work procedure. Okay? Okay, kalas.
चलो ए
Safety slogan, safety slogan. Fine, safety slogan.
One message. Good
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Ready.
Safety.
Pause.
Safety.
Pause.